So I found this mask lying around. I used to use it when I played airsoft, and I'm gonna try and do like a little makeshift mask for myself since I can't buy any masks. As you can see, there's this hole here, which I'm gonna cover up with this on the backside. But at the same time, I picked up this HEPA filter. I was looking for the shop bag ones, but I couldn't find any, so I had to make do with central air. I think this is HEPA, you know, when I say so. But the highest bacteria and virus filtration level I can find is this one at my local Walmart. Take this mesh off and lay this all down flat, and I will cut it to shape into that. Hopefully it'll work. Maybe. I don't know. Better than nothing. One thing I would suggest, if you do try this, be careful of these when you take out the cardboard, because these are quite sharp, these ends, as you might notice. Yeah, ouch. Got these scratches in my hand, but got done. No, I guess it's okay. It's not exactly the best option, but it'll have to do. Okay, so I'm going to do a slight redesign on this. I actually picked up this piece of cloth, also from Walmart, and as well as this little handheld sewing machine, because I suck at sewing. I've already done the bottom end here, and I'm just going to sew another one on top here to make a little flap to hold in the filter. And in theory, this should work.